Hello everybody, Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Trezor One cold storage wallet. Now you're going to need your wallet hooked up to your USB cord tether, and we're going to go to select the Trezor One image, and this is usual. It's going to make sure that when you got it that all the security options were on there, and trust me, there ain't no getting into that box without destroying it. So you'll know if somebody tampered with it. It will be very obvious if somebody tampered with it. And you're going to want to go ahead and plug it in and then hit check for devices and highlight your Trezor and connect. And as you see, it's setting up the Trezor. We're going to create a wallet. My cold wallet right here is asking me to confirm or cancel. I'm going to confirm it. We are going to need to make a backup, which we're going to hit there. And it says, before creating a backup, you should yada, yada, yada. Do not take photos of this stuff. This is all good stuff to read. I'm going to go ahead and click continue on it so we roll on through. That's do not disconnect the device. And my wallet that I plugged into the USB is giving me single word phrases. For example, it says, write down the seed. First word is ordinary. A-R-Y. All right. And it has a button. The button says next on it. And you click next. And it says write down the seed. Second word is mango. And so on and so forth. I'm going to wind up editing this, because this is going to be 24 words worth of a recovery phrase, which is just one huge password. It had me write down all 24 of the seed phrases, and now it's going to walk me through every one of them. It's got on the button, it says next, and it says first word ordinary. So if it's correct and I got it written down, I hit next. Mango, next. So on and so forth until you do all 24 of them, and you want to make sure that you got them all written down. And this is the last one, and you have successfully backed up your wallet. And then you hit continue. Do you really want to set new PIN? And it gives me an option on my wallet to cancel or confirm. I'm going to confirm. So that way, if there's something that's screen recording, like what I'm using right now to record this, it won't see what I'm clicking in. It's not able to record it. So you push in the area for the numbers that you want to choose. So I'm going to write down a number, 8675309. All right, I wrote that down so I won't forget it. And this is 8. This is 6. This is 7. This is 5. Yeah, they mix it all up. So, and every time this thing pops up, it's different. And you just go off of the pattern of what it shows you on your USB wallet. 7, 5. And then I'm going to do 3. 3 is here. 3. There's no 0, so I'm going to hit a 9. All right. And it's going to want me to do it again. And when it did that, it reset not only what you saw on the screen, but it also reset what I see on my USB wallet. And enter. And there you go. Let me scribble out that 0 so that I know it's not there. Good job. Your PIN is set. Now, I mean, you can continue later. I'm going to keep keep on rolling while I'm recording, and you can use spaces if you want. And on my USB wallet, it says, "Do you really want to change name to Trezor One?" And it has a cancel button and it has a confirm button. So I'm going to confirm it. And every name you choose is a wonderful name on this website. And you can continue on. Bookmark and browser. The whole point of this is to protect yourself from phishing attacks. It's like a YubiKey. It's like the Google Authenticator app. It has the same concept as to make sure that you do not accidentally give authorization to somebody who's trying to steal your crypto. And you can follow them on whatever you wish to follow them with. I have everything but Twitter there. I don't like Twitter. Awesome! You are all set. Your treasure is ready to go. And we hit finish. Be safe, my brothers and sisters. Don't let anybody steal your crypto money. And Google on.